We're back. 2018, day 1, part 2 in Ruby. Let's get it. You notice that the device repeats the same frequency change list over and over. To calibrate the device, you need to find the first frequency it reaches twice. For example, using the same list of changes above, the device would loop as follows. Frequency of 0, change 1, resulting frequency 1. Frequency of 1, change -2, resulting -1. -1 plus 3, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. At this point, the device continues from the start of the list. So now we have the frequency of 3, a change of +1 gives 4, and then -2 and 3, resulting frequency 2, which has already been seen. In this example, the first frequency reached twice is 2. Note that your device might need to repeat its list of frequency changes many times before a duplicate frequency is found, and that duplicates might not be found while in the middle of processing the list. Wait, what? In this example, the first frequency reached twice is 2. Find the first frequency it reaches twice. Okay, here are other examples. +1, -1. First reaches 0 twice. +3 plus 3 plus 4. -2 -4. First reaches 10 twice. -6 plus 3 minus 8. Wait. -6 plus 3 plus 8 plus 5 minus 6 first reaches 5 twice. +7 plus 7 minus 2 minus 7 minus 4 first reaches 14 twice. What is the first frequency your device reaches twice? Alright, so there's the problem. I'm going to start the stopwatch, and first I'm going to copy this. Well, first I'm going to duplicate. Make this part 2. I'm going to delete this, paste these in. So here I'm going to make another function called twice, which will do something else. Pass a string to it. Then over here, I'll make a function called twice, and it'll accept a string. There we go. Okay, so I've got some scenarios set up. Now I'm going to set up this one. Okay. I'm just going to exit so that function doesn't run. Then I'm going to try to match the same format as what we're given in the final with the real example, or with the puzzle input. Okay, so in the twice function, I'm going to make an array called scene. It will contain all the numbers that we've seen so far, and I'm going to call the frequency change function, and we'll pass the array and the string. Okay, so let's see what happens there. We're on day 2 now. 0, 4, 4, 1, 0, 10, 5, 14. Okay, so we don't want to print the sum. We don't even need the sum anymore. We want to see what's in the scene array. So print scene. And right now they're all going to be empty, but if we go through each of the numbers that we have here and we call each number a number, we should see a few numbers there. However, these are just the numbers that we're adding to the frequency, not the frequency itself. So what we want, we need a frequency, and set frequency equal to 0 like that. Numbers each, frequency plus number, and then add frequency to the scene array. So this will give us something a little different. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oops. Okay, so we need to do plus equals here. There we go. Now we have 1, 0, 3, 6, 10, 8, 4. So now what we need to do is go through the frequency change function many times. So we'll wrap this around a loop, and then we'll break if frequency change. Okay. So after we've added, well, first we need to add, shoot. Okay, if we do that, what do we get? I have to make sure that that 0 is in there. It is now. 0, 1, okay. Or we could do this, scene 0, and now we can say scene.last, the last thing in the array. Okay, so here we're returning false every time. so that this loop can continue unless we return something truthy like number if scene includes number. Let's try that. Oh, wrong number of arguments. Oh. Okay. Define method include for array. Alright. There's no S in the include method. So here we have 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 6. Okay. That's not what we wanted. Call it twice. Twice from number 14. Let's make it, let's just call this boolean. Oops. Okay. What? Okay, we'll set boolean to nil. Initialize it first, then we'll start collecting either falses or numbers, and we'll break this loop if it is something truthy, i.e. something false. And we'll just print the scene array and the bool array. Okay, now we're getting 0, 0, 1, 1. Now see, the problem here is we're not adding the last number to the frequency list. This. So once you finish all this, add the last number to the frequency. Or really should just be frequency like this. Try that. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. No. No. Okay. Let's just focus on the first one, because right now I'm lost. So here we pass in this string and we make an array with the first thing being 0, and we make a boolean object with the value being nil. Okay, and then we're going to reassign the boolean variable, and we're just going to pass these things to an array, or we're going to pass these things to a function, the scene array, the string, and the last item in scene. So in here we should put the 0 into the array, then we'll split the numbers, then we'll go through each number and we'll add that number to the frequency, and then we'll add it there like that. And then we'll say return number if scene, the array of numbers that we've seen includes this number. No, if it includes the frequency. Well, you'd want to run this after. Let's try that. 0, 0, 1. No, the should have been 0, 1. Numbers. -1, right? So frequency plus number. Frequency is that. And so here we return, or we should return frequency if the value of, right? So first frequency was 0, then it turns to 1, then it turns back to 0, and it returns 0. Okay, I think it's working now. Now we're getting 0, 10, 5, 14. And here we want 0, 10, 5, 14. So we've got working solution right now for these first 4 examples. This is what the logic looks like. Okay, and now let's get rid of this exit and run the 5th one. Wow, it's taking a while. Well, hopefully this doesn't break my computer. Wow, I'm actually surprised. It's been like 30 seconds. And it finished. Let's see if this is the answer that the website was looking for. And it is. Alright, and that's it, guys. It only took me 18 minutes. See you in the next one.